This is Ken Jacobson. I'm a senior mortgage planner and a loan officer with Home Trust Mortgages. Your mortgage market recap for the week of the 3rd through the 7th. First of all, let's talk about the government shutdown. Day 38, longest in history. SNAP handles food stamps, etc. There's 1 out of 8 Americans no longer have assistance to get food. Not a good thing. Air traffic controllers, their last paycheck was zero. I was thinking, how long would I work when my paycheck was zero? If you take out the human element, which is hard to do, there's no data coming out from the government. The Federal Reserve is supposed to meet on the 10th, and they will. But how are they going to cut the Fed funds rate? Everybody expected them to cut it by a quarter. They have no data. They have no data. What, raise it, lower it, leave it the same? What do we do? They really need to get this boondoggle resolved. Then jobs. Jobs are showing a lot of cracks in there. There's a thing called WARN, W-A-R-N. It's all caps. Major companies have to announce any projected layoffs, like a plant closing or anything like that. Their average warnings for the last 6 months are 202,000 per month. Wow, that's over 1.2 million people announced possible layoffs over the last 6 months. Terrible. We got the ADP jobs report. It showed 42,000 jobs created. Now, they only report on the private sector, not government jobs. 42,000. That's not Houston. That's not Harris County. That's the entire country. 50 states. Total of 42,000 jobs. The worst part is small and medium businesses showed job losses. They employ 75% of the people in the United States, and they had job losses. The other side, a little bright spot, Cotality. They report on home price appreciation. They reported that last month it went down 0.2% across the entire country. It is still up 1.2% for the year, but they projected 4.1% gain in price appreciation over the next year. That's a pretty good gain. They expect rates to come down. If you take and buy a house for $500,000 and it goes up 20% in a year, you didn't do anything, you just bought the house. That's almost 40% return on your invested dollar if you put 10% down. I don't think that's a bad return. So what do we got? We got a lot of pent-up demand for housing. We also have this mess of the government shutdown. We have a really rocky job situation. So no good news this week. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Join me next week, and I'll bring you up to speed again. If you need help planning on refinancing or purchasing a home, call me. That's what I do. Have a great day, a great weekend, and God bless you. And be safe out there.